I'm not gonna lie, my website setup used to be a mess. I started with one of those super cheap shared hosting plans, and at first, it felt fine. Until traffic actually came in. Pages started loading slowly, sometimes the site just wouldn't open, and I had no idea what was going on. At one point, I checked my analytics and saw people leaving before the page even loaded. That's when it hit me, this wasn't sustainable. So I started looking into managed WordPress hosting, not because I wanted something fancy, but because I just needed things to work. That's how I ended up trying Hostinger. What I liked right away was that it didn't feel complicated. The dashboard was clean, and I didn't need to Google every step. Migrating my site was easier than I expected, and I didn't have to manually configure a bunch of technical stuff. After switching, the first thing I noticed was consistency, not crazy 10x faster like ads claim, just stable. Pages loaded normally, no random downtime, no weird spikes in response time. And honestly, that's all I really wanted. Another thing I didn't expect to care about was backups, but they saved me once already. I updated a plugin, something broke, and instead of panicking, I just restored a previous version in a few clicks. That alone made it worth it for me. Security is also handled in the background, which is great because I'm not trying to manage that manually. I'm not saying it's perfect. If you're running a huge site, you might still need something more advanced. But for a small to medium website, especially if you don't want to deal with server issues, it just makes life easier. Now I spend way less time fixing problems and more time actually working on my content. If you're in that stage where your site kind of works but also kind of doesn't, this is probably something to consider.